you've been looking for a meal kit that goes beyond just convenience and actually helps you eat cleaner, stick to a specific diet, or reduce waste, then Green Chef is definitely worth a closer look. So in this video, I'm going to break down how it works, what you get, and whether the price is actually worth it, especially if you're following a plan like keto, plant-based, or gluten-free. It's not the cheapest service, but if you care about ingredient quality, mindful eating, and saving time without giving up control, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Let's jump in. So one of the things that sets this service apart is how early it focused on organic ingredients and health-first plans. It's been around since 2014 with the goal of making clean eating easier without giving up convenience. They were actually the first meal kit certified organic by California certified organic farmers. So unless it says otherwise, your produce is organic by default. In 2018, they joined HelloFresh, which helped them scale up while keeping that same focus. So instead of chasing low prices or bigger portions, they stayed committed to quality ingredients, diet-specific plans, and sustainability. They also go further than most when it comes to sustainability, offsetting 100% of their carbon emissions and all of the plastic in every box. So that being said, who is Green Chef really for? It's going to be a great fit for anyone who truly prioritizes clean eating or is following a diet like keto or paleo. And on top of that, they're actually certified gluten-free, and their plant-based plan is clearly a core part of their service, not just an afterthought. Getting started is simple and more flexible than most other meal kits. First, choose a plan that fits how you like to eat: keto, plant-based, protein-packed, and so on. That just guides your suggestions, but you'll still have full access to the entire menu each week. Next, pick how many people you're cooking for, 2, 4, or 6, and how many meals you want. You can go with 2 to 4 dinners and adjust any time. Then you'll customize your box. You can mix and match across all plans, which is pretty cool if you've got different preferences at home. Each week offers over 35 dinners plus options for breakfast and lunch. Now you can also adjust meals, swap proteins, double your veggies, or upgrade to wild-caught seafood. It's easy and gives you more control over what you eat. Managing your subscription is just as simple. Skip, pause, or cancel anytime in the app. Just do it before the weekly cutoff, which is usually 5 days ahead. Now, when your box arrives, everything's packed fresh in color-coded paper bags for easy prep. Recipes include step-by-step instructions, timing, and a short list of pantry basics. And since most of the prep is already done, chopped veggies, mixed sauces, pre-portioned ingredients, meals usually take about 30 minutes, even if you're not much of a cook. Now each week, you'll get a rotating menu built around different ways of eating. And these aren't just labeled plans. They're actually designed by chefs and reviewed by dietitians, so they should taste really good and hold up nutritionally. Now, if you're eating low carb, there's a keto plan with under 20 net carbs per meal. Or if you're looking for more protein, the protein pack plan gives you 35 to 70 grams per dish. There are plant-based options too, with both vegetarian and vegan meals, plus plans like Mediterranean, gluten-free, calorie smart, and even one that supports gut and brain health. And the nice thing is, you're not stuck with one plan. You can mix and match each week, which makes it easier to try new things or keep everyone happy at home. Now, ingredient quality is where this service really shines. You get certified organic produce, cage-free eggs, and proteins that are responsibly sourced. The meats come from farms with higher animal welfare standards. Seafood includes wild-caught options like salmon, and there's a real focus on sustainability, from the sourcing all the way down to the packaging. Everything's curbside recyclable in most areas, and they go further by offsetting 100% of both delivery emissions and plastic use, something you won't find with most meals kits. Now, if you want more than just dinner, the Green Market lets you add things like a quick breakfast, lunches, snacks, or extra proteins. So whether you want a full plan or just help a few nights a week, it's pretty flexible. Now, Green Chef is definitely on the premium side of the meal kit world, and the pricing reflects that, but it's pretty straightforward once you know how it works. The cost is based on how many servings you order each week, not the plan itself. So whether you're doing keto, gluten-free, or anything else, the price per serving stays the same. Most meals land between $12 and $14 per serving. For example, a box with 3 meals for 2 people costs about $83, including the $11 shipping fee, so roughly $14 per serving. If you bump it up to 4 meals a week, that drops the per serving cost down to around $13. And if you're cooking for 4 or 6 people, it gets even lower, closer to $12 per serving. Green Chef also runs some good promos for new customers. Usually it's 50% off your first box and 20% off for a few weeks after that. So the first month or 2 can be a great time to try it out. Now, there are a few things that can bump up the weekly total, like upgrading the premium proteins or adding extras from the green market, such as breakfast or snacks. But everything is clearly marked, and you'll always see the full total before you check out. Just don't forget the $11 shipping fee, since that's added at the end. And if you want to give Green Chef a try, our affiliate link is in the description. It's an easy way to support the channel and often has special deals that you're not going to get if you went directly to their website. Now, Green Chef isn't the cheapest meal kit out there, but what you're really paying for is ingredients quality, time saved, and a service that helps you stay on track with your health goals without all of the usual planning and prep. If you are following a plan like keto, paleo, or gluten-free, it takes out the guesswork. Every recipe is dietitian approved and designed to fit that lifestyle. There's no need to double check ingredients or make substitutions on your own. Now, one of the biggest benefits though is time. No grocery runs, no meal planning, and when your box shows up, most of the prep is already done. You'll have a fresh home cooked meal in about 30 minutes without spending your whole evening in the kitchen. It also helps reduce food waste. Everything's pre-portioned, so you're not tossing out leftover herbs or half-used produce. And over time, that can save you money. Even if you're not super confident in the kitchen, the step-by-step recipe cards and pre-prepped ingredients make it just easy to learn as you go. So cooking starts to feel more doable, and even sometimes it's fun. And we talked about the sustainability part already. So when you look at the full picture, the value goes well beyond the food. You're saving time, eating better, and supporting a company that's actually aligned with your values. Now, for comparison, if you've been looking into health-focused meal kits, odds are that you've seen both Green Chef and Sunbasket come up. They're similar in a lot of ways, like organic ingredients and diet-friendly options, but they go about it a little differently. Green Chef is more hands-on. You're cooking from scratch with organic pre-portioned ingredients, and the meals are built to support diets like keto, gluten-free, or Mediterranean. Sunbasket leans more into flexibility. Alongside meal kits, they offer fresh and ready, which is just heat and eat. So you can cook when you want and skip it when you don't. Both use organic produce, but as we mentioned earlier, Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company, so they're organic by default, while Sunbasket is a USDA certified organic handler, which means organic is their goal, but substitutions can happen. When it comes to the menu, Green Chef gives you more weekly main recipes, while Sunbasket has more options for snacks, proteins, and specialty items. Pricing is pretty close, though Sunbasket's heat and eat meals start a bit cheaper, around $10 per serving, compared to Green Chef's $12 and up. So overall, if you enjoy cooking and want strong diet support with full organic certification, Green Chef is the better fit. But if you're after more flexibility and a break from cooking now and then, Sunbasket gives you more ways to mix it up. All right, so Green Chef is for people who really don't want to second guess their ingredients. You're paying for top tier quality and their serious commitment to sustainability. It's also for people who genuinely like the act of cooking, but just want to skip the headache of planning and shopping. It's not trying to be the fastest meal kit. It's trying to be the best quality one. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And again, if you want to try any of the companies mentioned in this video, you can check our links in the description below. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down and I'll be back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.